Hi guys, so my name is Ashtami Ashta and I'm starting a new YouTube channel called Ashtami Education. It's basically a YouTube channel where we will be talking about sensitive important topics like mental health, sustainability and stuff like that, um, to ensure that I can do my part in serving the society, um, and trying to help it as much as possible. So, to begin with, this is going to be around a series wherein I take one topic and make two episodes on it. So, each topic will have two specific videos and two specific topics which you guys can understand, listen to, and if you have any doubts or anything that you want my help in or anything that you want to know, you can leave your comments down in the comment box and I will definitely interact with you, and we can have a conversation in any kind of help that you need. So, to begin with, today's topic is what is mental health. Mental health, I feel, is a very important topic which needs to be spoken a lot about in today's times, given the amount of stress that everyone goes through, given the amount of workload that everyone has. People refrain from speaking of mental health, but it is one of the most important things which needs to be spoken about. So let's understand what is mental health. Mental health is basically something which is how we are feeling, how do we think, and what our emotions are, how controlled our emotions are. And mental health basically, it influences how we think, how we feel every single day. For young people especially, mental health truly means it's crucial. It's a dynamic state which can shift and change on various factors. Now those factors could be anything. It could be your lifestyle, the things that you're going through, your work, your friends, your family. It could be whatever. People have different reasons of why their mental health gets impacted. Some people really some people have problems in their family, some people have problems going in their work life, but it is very important for us to kind of keep ourselves mentally little sane, because or else not focusing on your mental health can lead to disastrous effects. Mental health is as important as your physical health. Like, you work out, you go to the gym, you're eating healthy, and mental health is also one of that part of the body which needs to be kind of kept healthy, nourishing, and you have to make an effort to ensure that your mental health at all times is okay. So it is just not about being constantly happy or never feeling down. It's about developing the resilience to navigate one's life, navigate one's ups and downs. It includes managing a spectrum of emotions, basically from joy to excitement to sadness to frustration, anxiety, and learning to and learn how to cope up with those things and changing emotions. Mental health is basically something which you deal with everyday pressures. Basically, every day, every moment that you live, your mental health plays a very, very important role. It basically means either you're going to school or you're going to work, or you're hanging out with friends, for all that matters. Even the most relaxed and simple places or the simple tasks that you're doing can have an impact on your mental health. So it is very important to understand mental health. If I try to sum it up entirely, mental health to me is basically your range and variation and changes in emotions which are constantly happening throughout the years. Mental health also includes adapting to those changes and basically learning how you can stabilize your emotions, because as in when you go from your childhood to your teenage to your young adult and to your old age, you do change as a person, and your thinking and your mindset and your mentality also changes. And that is what is a very crucial part of mental health, is basically adapting to that, understanding how important it is, and then accordingly surviving. Mental health in these days is basically not a much of a spoken topic about. People still refuse to go to therapy, still refuse to see psychologists, and still refuse to talk about mental health. if a person is speaking about their mental health, mostly people will say, oh my god, that person's mad. But I think we as a society should open up and kind of discuss our mental health and how important it is as a topic to talk about mental health. So this is the first episode of the series, and the first topic that we spoke about was what is mental health. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys got to learn something new, and if you liked it, please do give it a like. Also do share it with people who you think this video can help a lot, and the future series can help a lot. And yeah, please like, share and subscribe, and if any questions or anything, let's interact in the comments below. Thank you so much. Bye bye.